Whitsett. I'm the drummer for the Pizzazz Band. I've been playing with the Pizzazz Band for 9 years. I play DW wireless drums and use Collision 5E 9-line drumsticks. They're durable, high quality, and have a great feel. I recommend you give them a try. It's a great product.
I need some happy music.